Welcome to our channel. God quotes us. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of manifestation and spiritual practices. Today, we have a special prayer for you, one that can help you manifest abundance and increase your chances of winning the lottery. Get ready to tap into the power of the universe and unlock the flow of prosperity. Let's begin. Divine Universe, I come before you with utmost reverence and gratitude. I recognize the infinite abundance that surrounds us and acknowledge that all possibilities exist within your realm. I open myself to the flow of prosperity and call upon your divine energy to manifest great abundance in my life. With pure intentions, I ask for your guidance in attracting wealth and financial prosperity. I release any doubts or limiting beliefs that may hinder my ability to receive. I affirm that I am worthy of abundance and that it is my birthright to live a life of financial freedom. I invoke the power of the law of attraction to magnetize the winning numbers of the lottery toward me. May my intentions align with the cosmic forces, bringing forth the perfect opportunities for my financial success. I trust in the divine timing and surrender any attachment to the outcome, knowing that what is meant for me will effortlessly flow into my reality. As I recite this prayer, I visualize myself celebrating a lottery win with joy and gratitude. I feel the exhilaration of financial freedom coursing through every fiber of my being. I am filled with deep appreciation for the abundance that manifests in my life. I am grateful for the opportunities that this lottery win will create, not only for myself but also for those around me. I vow to use this newfound wealth wisely, sharing it with love and compassion, and making a positive impact on the lives of others. Thank you, Divine Universe, for your unwavering support and for aligning my path with abundance. I release this prayer to the universe, knowing that it is already done. And so it is. Thank you for joining us in this powerful prayer to manifest abundance and increase your chances of winning the lottery. Remember, the key lies not only in reciting the prayer but also in aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the energy of abundance. Stay open to the signs and synchronicities that the universe sends your way, as they may lead you to your desired outcome. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more manifestation techniques and spiritual guidance. Until next time, may the universe bless you with unlimited abundance. Type Amen to claim your financial miracle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. God quotes us.